Ever wondered why loud noises make us jump? Loud noises trigger our body's fight or flight response. This is an automatic reaction designed to help us respond to potential threats. From an evolutionary perspective, sudden loud sounds often signaled danger like a predator or an imminent threat, so our ancestors developed a quick reaction to these noises. When we hear a loud noise, our auditory system sends rapid signals to the brain's amygdala, which processes fear and initiates a stress response. This causes the release of adrenaline, increasing our heart rate and making us more alert, ready to either fight or flee. Today we might not face predators, but sudden loud noises like a car horn or a dropped object can still trigger this ancient response. So the next time a loud noise startles you, remember it's just your body's way of keeping you safe.